on, everybody? In this episode, we're going to be working on the engine. Probably going to try and install it today. I just painted the valve covers purple with a sparkle mist and then a clear coat on top. I did the coil cover also. The valve cover gaskets are a little hard and a little flat, so add a little bit of gasket maker, the gray RTV on them, and we're going to slap on the valve covers, let them cure for a couple minutes, and then put it all together and try and slap it in. I got the motor mounts all in the car now. It's probably not going to be that easy, but we'll see what happens.
You seem like you're getting more comfortable in front of the camera.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's really a pain in the ass to get this valve cover on because there's so many little things that stop you. There we go. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, see, I just kind of did myself over. It's so hard, this hose. Probably gonna pull it up, sneak it on first.
You got Donovan here?
Yeah. I'm trying not to fucking touch the paint.
Doesn't help when you're fucking...
Nope. I wonder if it's gonna have to come up. You wanna take this off and then just put it on and then try to do that side?
Okay. I've never seen valve cover bolts that are a Phillips head. This is the first. Every single one of these things are all Phillips head. It's crazy.
When I seen it, I'm like, what the hell? They're Phillips. There's the new hoodie.
Yes, I just made it today. These are for sale on our Facebook page and our website. Do you want to tell them about it, Jay?
Our website, we just got it running today. It's not 100%, but it's close. We gotta wait for the LLC to go through, and then we can get a business ID and actually, you know, you guys can actually start purchasing. You guys can see the shirts right now. They're all out of stock. Oh my God, who just pulled up here? The non-drip. They're just gonna do, if you go to the shop, it's gonna stay out of stock for now. And so yeah, you just go to the website, you can see events and everything we...
Yes. Look at the, check the fresh badge. OEM from Japan, dog.
Fucking racer.
What's going on, guys?
Yeah, dude, we drove by last night. I was like, oh, ain't shit, there's trucks there. Like, we was real slow in the turning lane and shit.
Yeah, we were here all night till 1 o'clock.
It's way longer than I thought.
That's all.
Yeah, I know.
The short block, dude.
That's a naked one there.
Did you swap in your other motor into that? You gonna?
No, it don't really like.
You got them fresh Chuck Daddies, boy.
Super fresh, boy. It
You
doesn't
work in those?
No, it doesn't really mesh well with. That car is not like the ECU goes on and into the fucking glove box.
Thinking of the 240, bro.
The harness is.
All right, so we're that much closer to sticking the motor in. Actually, we're almost ready to put the motor in right now.
I got the valve cover and coil cover all hot boy painted. A little bit of flake. It looks freaking awesome. So loud, goddamn. Anyway, basically got everything ready to go. We're gonna pick up the motor, move the tail out of the way. We gotta pull the car forward, get it set on the lift. So when I do get the motor in here, pick it up to get to the bottom motor mounts. Leave everything all loose so we can mock it up because there's a little bit of play. You can see here, up and down. It's like about an inch of play. So I don't know where it has to be exactly, but it's coming together.
We got the motor off the table.
Yes, so we're gonna set the lift and then get the car up in here.
Tony getting his new hoodie dirty.
I know.
It's like you're missing a couple.
Yeah. On the ass. I can repaint the fucking core. I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, we're good. Can you get to it?
It seems like you go back quite a bit too. Like back that way.
I know. Alright, hold on. So this motor needs to go towards the passenger side more.
It needs to go towards the driver's side.
Or driver's side, yeah, driver's side. So go.
That's pretty good. I'm pretty good at finding the hole, but I want to stay.
On this side, so that it actually evened out like a teeter-totter. And now we're getting this sliding in. It's a little tight, I'm not gonna lie, but it does fit. We're gonna work on the other mount right now. We gotta lower the engine down. And then while we do that, we also gotta tighten motor mounts and do 100 million other things. But it's coming together. It's a lot easier with a lot more hands.
Look at this.
Put it down.
Try 'em, buddy.
Without smashing you.
Keep going. More? Yeah.
Looks like it should work.
Why'd y'all now tell us this?
What did you say?
Come back in the jack.
You got like fucking. Hopefully, it doesn't look like he's working.
Oh, it's right there. Oh, yeah.
That's how the bird flies. It's not real. It's actually mine. You gotta create their back.
I heard you have underglow.
Yeah, Ricer. Ricer IS, boy. You have to go check it out. It's pretty fucking cool.
You know, we got the Brimbos back here with no pads. You know, we got all that.
Can't really see it. But
Yeah,
there's no pads.
There's no pads.
Previous owner said he couldn't afford them.
You got the dope active aero going on, kind of like the Bugattis where they fucking go up at 60 mile an hour, but you know, we took that off because we don't need it. I got the, fiberglass because fuck it, why not? Molded everything on, cool spot, spray painted everything.
When I was bonded,
Mid interior.
Mid as fuck, we're doing the auto conversion on the, RB20, so, we're that's about it.
probably won't.
We got my.
How's it going, man?
What's this fucking
Z7 on the
Oh, yeah. So we have the 40-year-old HKS mushroom intake right here. We're gonna paint it purple. Get some of your 2-in-1 paint and primer. Just go to town. Painting it on top of the expired fire extinguisher.
What color? Is that lavender?
It is, yes, it's gloss grape.
Dang.
Wait, Tony, wait.
Oh, give it some plate, give it some hot boy.
Hot boy.
That razzle dazzle?
Oh no,
You didn't clean the nozzle when you sprayed it last, did you?
I just used it like a minute ago.
Did you flip it upside down and spray it?
No?
Yeah, that's the problem.
Take a fucking little spray tip off, and then fucking grab one from another can.
Yes, I'm gonna take all that eBay suspension garbage the fuck out and replace it with stock shit.
Just from like this far away.
Matt's still down here.
Instead of 32
Hooking some things up.
or 33.
34.
So you said you wanted to do.
I got number 23 ECU. I'm not sure what it does.
Jordan!
You got this thing over. It's AMI or Japanese.
That
What does this do?
Oh shit, dude, I remember.
Kung Pao chicken.
This power, like more or less?
Okay,
No, yeah.
that's Chinese.
Japanese.
Gotcha.
Sushi roll.
Close up.
What?
Look at that. A little bit flavor. I did it myself, okay?
Oh, that's an American. Oh, it's USDM. Don't put that in there.
Cut it out.
Is that dry, Tony?
Sure.
We're gonna send it either way.
All of them.
69.
There she is.
What's up, D? Learn about Subies?
So anyway, whenever you throw a check engine light off,
And the Lord said, let there be light.
Oh, it fucking works! Oh, that's great. Is that street glow? What is this shit? Dude, that's legit as fuck. It's an actual neon.
That's sick.
Bro,
You know who would go crazy about that actual neon?
Who?
Guys.
I don't know.
Fucking Ethan, the bar.
Yeah, you would.
Is that real fucking neon light?
I like how they installed it, dude. They just bent the whole bumper pads on. Dude, hold on.
You see what the install stickers are? So, red light.
I gotta get this thing out of here.
Get a lightsaber.
Here, let's that fucking snap.
I'm a man. I'll use my fingers. Oh, there's rocks too.
Oh, we rock out. Holy shit. They jerked it.
You're gonna restart your whole driveway now.
There's so many rocks.
Yeah, bud. This thing's sick.
Oh, install clamp here.
Let's go put this on the Subaru.
Dude, that's so legit.
Let's go put this on the Subaru.
That's not, it's bent. It's bowed. Hold on.
It's a lightsaber.
It's bowed. Slightly curves to the left.
Oh, now you fucked it. Good job.
Saying the handle was up enough, was not touching the firewall. I'm surprised. To say the least.
It definitely came a long way since I took it check once.
Hey, the pump on your pretty easy to think the
Matt's over here mocking up the new throttle body, throttle cable mount.
What's that like? Like probably 2.5 years ago, I was back in Edmonds on my front porch. I live off the gravel road with no neighbors. And I go out right now. This is a bad day for work out here. It was like one more time.
Fuck that.
What you doing over here?
Eating my food and watching FB.
What'd you get from KFC?
Balcony chicken and tenders.
I'm going to Delaware, so I come to area.
So it's been a very long couple hours. We got a hell of a lot done. We got Matt, Andrew, and Donovan still here, still pushing through. Got the motor in, all the mounts done, got the wiring basically done. We're making the throttle body cable bracket right now so that we can run the stock cable. Got a lot of more little stuff to do. Got to upgrade the fuel pump coming this week. But so far we've definitely, for this being a winter build, it's going to be running in the fall. So it's going together pretty well.
He's like, let me just record this real quick. Well, these guys are big.
We got
Got a little bacon roll.
yeah.
Every clip,
I think it's like season.
every clip is gonna be this asshole a-hole vaping. Yeah, I hate you. You're baked days. Dude, look at that fucking coming out the end.
Dude, that looks crazy.